Hey, what's up, AMP holder? This is live price prediction of AMP coin, my brother. Absolutely, the condition is very critical now because from last 7 days, last one day, the price is very badly falls down. So what we need to do, my friend, because this time the price is very cheap now. Absolutely, if we are starting investing, if we are starting buying, so definitely they will in upcoming time, if they will moving upwards, so they will make us millionaire now. But this is very hard risk, my brother, and absolutely very important, my friends, for all of you to I will predicate this coin. So in this video I will predicate, my friend, and absolutely I will share my opinion to selling time, holding time, or buying time, or an upcoming time there is a chance to the price will wake up or not. Let's get started the brand video, but kindly if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So my brother, we need to check out, my friend, the last 7 days chart, and this is the last 7 days chart. And absolutely, my friend, just and only for a short time they will take a very huge jump now, but my brother, they will again jumps down, they will again fails down. Can really, my friends, there is a chance to upcoming time the price will be increasing. Yes, 100%, my friend, there is a chance to the price will be increasing, because as you can see, my friend, the first line touch the highest point, the second line touch the lowest point. So you can see, my friend, they will moving, and this circulation to after a fails they will pumps up. Absolutely, one arrow is fails down, one arrow is moving upward, one arrow is fails down, one arrow is moving upward. So that's clear, my brothers, too. And after this fails they will also take a very huge jump now. After this arrows they will also, my friends, moving in upward direction. So if you are a short term investor, then just in only go now, my friend, and hold it and buy more, my brother. Absolutely, for one day if you just in only buy this, so they will make you millionaire now, my brother. Absolutely, holder. But if you have any plan to invest for a long time, so I think this coin will also good, my friend, for a long time investor now. Let's see the last 1 month chart. So as you can see, my friend, in last 1 month they will give you 8.83% profit. It's a very good profit, my brother. As you can see, they will take a long jump and long fails. So therefore, if you have any plan to invest for 1 month, so I think this will be good option. To when they will fails down, you need to buy it. When they will moving upwards, so just and only, my friend, hold it, hold it, hold it. But when they will starting fails down, so you just buy it. I hope they will give buy sell it. I hope they will make you millionaire. See you next time, holder. Hope you understand something new in this video. Please like video and subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.